Hey there, future real estate moguls. Today, I'm breaking down how to analyze rental properties for maximum ROI. Get ready to take notes because in the next 3 minutes, we're diving into the essentials of making your investments work harder for you. First things first, you've got to understand the market. Look at the location. Is it growing? Check out the local job market, schools, and amenities. These factors drive demand and can make or break your rental income potential. Remember, location isn't just about being in the right city, but the right neighborhood too. Next up, the numbers. Let's talk about calculating your cash flow. Start by figuring out your total monthly income from the property. That's your rent. Then subtract all your expenses: mortgage, property management fees, maintenance, insurance, taxes, and don't forget a reserve fund for unexpected repairs. What's left is your net cash flow. Positive cash flow is your best friend. It means your property is making money every single month. Now, let's dive into the return on investment, or ROI. First, calculate your annual cash flow by multiplying your monthly net cash flow by 12. Then, divide that number by your total investment, which includes down payment, closing costs, and any rehab costs. Multiply by 100 to get a percentage. That's your ROI. A solid rental property should give you an ROI of at least 8 to 12%. Don't forget about appreciation. This is where your property increases in value over time. While cash flow is important for day-to-day expenses, appreciation can significantly boost your long-term wealth. And what about tenant screening? Always screen your tenants thoroughly. Check their credit history, employment status, and rental history. A good tenant can make your life easy, while a bad one can turn your investment into a nightmare. Lastly, consider the 1% rule. This rule states that the monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. For example, a $200,000 property should rent for at least $2,000 per month. If it doesn't, you might want to reconsider or negotiate a better deal. All right, folks, there you have it. Your quick guide to analyzing rental properties for maximum ROI. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep learning and happy investing. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on real estate investing. This is the Cash Flow Soldier, signing off.